Okay, so this is a part for a large, or well, medium format Delta printer that I've designed. This is one of the lower motor corners. And I am going to go ahead and use my stopwatch here and test just how long it takes to slice. Now this is set up with a 0.1 millimeter layer and supports enabled, so it has to generate those on the fly. It didn't pre-generate supports, as you can see from the image. And I'm going to go ahead and slice it, and here we go. And it's writing the tool paths, it's initializing the preview, and parsing the G code. Come on, and boom, there we go. It's ready to print. And that took 13.57 seconds. As you can see, it has, let's see, 1,310 layers that is sliced. I'm going to go ahead and pull down so you can see that it has every one of the layers. Yep, there it is. It has sliced it all. It's all available. All the data is instantly there. 13.57 seconds.